So from the last video I made where I mentioned that I use extracts on my face, a lot of you were asking how do you know the Nigerian one or the fake one from the foreign one. Okay, so that's why I'm making this video. Yeah, I responded to a lot of you, but I just wanted to throw more light on it. So this is the foreign one, this is the one I'm using. Okay, now for the Nigerian one, this thing here, this sign here, I'm going to be putting a picture of it if I can find it. So this thing written here, this design here is in red. Okay, this design here is in red. For the one made in Nigeria, it's in red, and below this is whitening herbal soap written here, whitening herbal soap. Below this place there is an Arabic writing here. As you can see, this does not have any Arabic writing, and also at the back the only Arabic writing here is a translation of the ingredients list. So this is ingredients, and this is a translation in Arabic. But the one made in Nigeria, everything written here is written in Arabic, but this whole place, everything written here is written in English. So for the foreign one, the only thing written in Arabic is the ingredients. Okay, nothing else is written in Arabic here. And this one is made in Philippines. It's written here, product of the Philippines, but the one made in Nigeria is made in Ibadan. Okay, so I'm going to read out the ingredients of this one. I'm not very sure of the ingredients of the Nigerian one because I don't have the pack here now. So I'm going to read it out, and I'm going to write it on the screen so you can take a screenshot and like have it handy when you want to buy your own. So these are the ingredients. Okay, it contains sodium palmate, sodium I can't pronounce all of them, I'll just write it. Okay, potassium lactate, it contains salicylic acid, perfume water, glycerin, niacinamide, blah 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 blah, papaya fruits extracts, and all of that. I'm going to write them. Okay, let me not bite my tongue. So that is it. Yes, let me just put up a close. This is what it looks like. So when you are buying your own, you just look out for this. And the price of the Nigerian one is 1,500 naira. So the Nigerian one is 1,500, but this one is 3,000 naira. So this one is double the price of the Nigerian one. So anywhere you go and ask for extract and the price seems cheaper, it's definitely the Nigerian one. Okay, nobody actually sells this one less than 3,000 naira. 2,008 is the cheapest you can find it. I'm not even sure of that 2,008, but the normal price now is 3,000 naira. And this soap is actually very nice. Yes, it's actually very nice because it contains niacinamide and it contains salicylic acid. Yes, it's nice for your face, it's nice for your body. So this is a soap you can use on your face and on your body. So if you're looking for a soap that is suitable for your face and your body, then you should consider using this one. So this is a 2-in-1 soap for your face and body. Now for the Nigerian own, it's not like that one is bad, but this one might be more effective than that one. People that have used that Nigerian own also say that it's nice, it's just there. Yeah, like basically it's just there, but this one is obviously better. If you use extract for a prolonged period of time, you are going to get even skin tone, like your tone from your head to your toe. That's if you use it on your face and your body. It's going to help to tone out your skin. It's going to even out your skin complexion. Okay, so that's what I said I should tell you. This is a very short video, and that's all. So there's nothing in red, everything is in orange and green. And someone was asking me, is it extract something? This is what is written: extract whitening herbal soap, papaya calamansi. Okay, papaya calamansi. It doesn't have carrot or anything, it is just papaya calamansi, unless it has other variants, so you can correct me, but this particular one is the extract that I know and that I have used several times that works for me. All right, so that's what I thought to share with you today to clear that confusion from my old video. A lot of people were asking, how do they know the fake from original or Nigerian from foreign? This is how to know it. I hope I answered your questions. If you have more questions, more concerns, let me know in the comment section. Let's have a conversation. And thank you for watching, and please like this video, subscribe if you have not. I'm going to see you on any of these videos right here. Let's continue our beautiful skincare conversations.